welcome to my desk. Today I'm going to be doing a little desk tour slash desk setup of my cute little space that I use for bullet journaling, lots of schoolwork, and just like everyday desk kind of stuff. So I showed you guys a room tour about a month ago, or maybe even more, I'm not really sure, and I mentioned that I was going to show you a more in-depth tour of my desk when it was a little bit more finished, so that is today. I love it so much. I think it's such a cute little space. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so my desk is in this cute little dormer over here, so it's just nice and tucked away from the rest of my bedroom. So starting over here, I have this scratch map, which is from Urban Outfitters, that I just have on my wall, and then around it I have these cute little fairy lights that are from Chapters, I think. Okay, so in this little corner over here I have obviously a plant. This is a Pilea peperomia, and I got it from Walmart, and it's not doing the best, unfortunately. So if you guys have any tips for me, I'd love to hear them. This cute little basket over here is from a thrift store, and then in it I just have my mild liners and some other little fine liner things that I like to use for school. And also in the basket I have some post-it notes, my earbuds, and some whiteout tape. In this cute little clay pot I have a peperomia. And then over here on my desk I have my iPad and Apple Pencil that I like to use for a lot of different school stuff. So in the corner over here I have this like little box thing where I store some random things. So I have like a keyboard that is for my iPad, some other random papers, sheets of stickers, anything that I really want to get off of my desk. I just kind of stuff it in here. I have a little binder clip sitting on there, and then the switch for the fairy lights on the map is behind there attached to the wall. So I have this really pretty view of my window, and right now it's fall, so the leaves are very orange, which is always nice to look out to. And because it is such a nice window, I have a lot of plants over here because they seem to like it a lot, so I keep them mostly over here in my bedroom. So over here I have this cute little hanging plant, this macrame plant hanger I got at a thrift store, and then in it I have this little jade plant, which I think looks really cute, in this little tin pot from IKEA. And in that corner I have this cactus which I've had for probably 10 years now, and it's in this cute little marble pot. So as you can see, it's pretty tippy, but it's still kind of surviving. Recently, two little nodes have grown on the cactus. They're so cute. They kind of remind me of pickles or something. So I'm excited to see how those grow. So yeah, the cactus is a little tippy, but he still has a special place in my heart because he's so old. I think he's my first plant ever. Here is my spider plant, which is doing great in this cute little clay pot. And then I have this peperomia over here in another clay pot. And then on the desk over here I have this cute little pencil case from Staples, and I put this little keychain on there that I made, and inside of here I mostly just keep like bullet journaling supplies for the month that I'm currently in, so just like specific to the color theme that I'm using for the month. So I don't actually have my computer right now on my desk, but it would also usually go over here as well, but it's not super cute, so it kind of clashes with the whole aesthetic of the desk situation right now. And over here is another little jade plant, and then I have this little pencil case thing, or pencil cup. I got this at a thrift store, but I'm pretty sure that it's originally from IKEA. This little bamboo guy that holds all of my like pens and pencils and scissors. Then I also have some washi tape on the pencils over there. In the corner over there I have my bullet journal, my other journal, and my Bible, and then I also have my water bottle over here. So up in this corner I have my Hoya hanging up on top of the windowsill. It's just hung up there with a tack, and surprisingly it's staying not that bad. So this plant was actually from Walmart, which is such a great deal. It was like $7. Normally Hoyas are pretty expensive at like nurseries and plant stores like that, so I was so pumped about this one, and it's done really well. As you can see, it's starting to trail quite a bit. And this corner I kind of recently finished. I don't know, I might still add some more stuff to the wall over here, but I have these two frames up on the wall. Both these are drawings that I did, and I wanted to keep the art kind of similar, so I just did this little fine liner type of drawing of two different things. They're both in various frames from the thrift store. So this one is just this picture of a girl wearing a scarf in this wooden frame, and then this one over here. This frame is from a thrift store, and I tried to do like those cool, I don't know where it's from, but those frames that are all clear with like a cute little gold rim, and it was quite the challenge to make, but it ended up turning out okay. The glass cracked and it was a disaster, but I ended up making it work with some transparency and packing tape. So this little string of hearts over here is my all-time favorite plant in my bedroom, and that says a lot. It's so cute and delicate, and I love how it's staying on this little hanging shelf thing that I made. It's also just like attached to the wall up there, and then I love this pot that the string of hearts is. So here's a little close-up just to appreciate the cuteness of this plant. It's actually grown super fast since I got it. When I originally got it, it was just like a little nub at the top, and then now it's all the way to the bottom of my desk. So behind the string of hearts, I have these two other little rainbow things that I made that I just attached to the wall for something extra there. And then I have this moon phases string thing that I made. It's made out of some metal and spray paint and stuff like that. And originally I didn't really like it there, but ever since adding these other frames and those little rainbows, I think it ends up looking pretty well all together. And up here is this floating shelf with a bunch of little baby plants that kind of don't deserve to go right on my desk because they aren't as cute as the other ones. So I have a pothos, a succulent, an aloe vera, some more succulents, and a cactus. And then I have this thrift store frame with this little drawing that I did in there just behind the plants. So I think that shelf is really cute, and I like it that it's right by the window, so I can still have more plants in this area without having to clutter up my desk anymore. And I forgot to mention, but my desk is not really a desk, well, it's a desk, but it's just built right into my dormer over here, so I didn't purchase it anywhere. My dad just built it right into this little corner of my room. And this chair is one of my best thrift finds ever. I'm pretty sure it was $5 or something, maybe 10, nothing, definitely not more than that. And I got it at a thrift store. It is so cute. Yeah, I was looking for a desk chair for such a long time, and then this one just popped up at my local thrift store. So it has matte black legs and then this like gray kind of fabric, and surprisingly it's pretty comfortable. I would prefer like a swivelly type office chair, but this works pretty well, and it's a lot better than like this old wooden chair that I had here before. And then I have a wicker basket down in the corner over there for garbage. So that is my whole little desk area where I do all my schoolwork and studying, and this is also where I film all my art journal videos and bullet journal videos and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you are curious about seeing the rest of my room, I will leave a link to my full room tour in the description box. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I would love to know what you think of it or what you guys have in your desk area. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!